technical difficulties. We are joined by Sandy Moore at the Little Rock Animal Village talking about half-price adoptions and giving treats here to Plum, who is up for adoption. She is precious. Talk to us about the half-off deal.
Okay, the Friends of the Animal Village is donating money to subsidize adoption. So normally the adoptions are $90, but until we run out of money, it'll be $45, and that's for sterilization and all boosters and shots and everything.
And tell us about Plum here this morning.
Plum is a border collie mix who can fly. She stayed at my house last night, and she flew from couch to couch. She has a special needs dog. She's got a grade 2 heart murmur, but that does not slow her down.
So. And she's available today?
She's available today. Come and see her.
She's beautiful, super attentive. You said she's great with cats, great with other dogs.
Yeah, she loves to play. She's very playful.
What's the status of the village right now? Are you full? Are you not full? Or
it's the beginning of puppy season, so we're getting to full, but we're not full right now. But we have lots of litters of puppies. We have lots of mixes, shepherds, border collies, you name it, really.
And what are your hours today, and where do we find you?
10 to 5, 4500 South Kramer. That's the second light south of University of Nashua, first T-way.
Okay, Sandy Moore, thanks for being with us. Plum, I know you're going to find the best home in the world. She's a sweet girl.